in the premium RV category. Known globally for unmatched elegance and innovation, Maybach takes its signature opulence and stretches it into a full-size mobile palace. The exterior design features an elegant and aerodynamic silhouette wrapped in a high-gloss metallic finish, chrome accents, Maybach badging, digital LED headlights, and retractable steps signal its premium status from every angle. It rides on massive 22-inch wheels and is supported by Mercedes adaptive air suspension for unmatched ride quality and stability. Powering this luxury motorhome is a refined V8 plug-in hybrid powertrain that produces over 600 horsepower. The combination of electric drive and combustion ensures a smooth and silent city cruise while offering extended range and highway power when needed. This motorhome can switch between driving modes to prioritize comfort, efficiency, or performance, with seamless transitions between power sources. The drive is always smooth and commanding. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of elegance. The cabin is dressed in top-tier materials, including Napa leather, handcrafted wood inlays, and Maybach-specific diamond quilted upholstery. Ambient lighting offers 64 customizable colors, while the panoramic roof opens up to sky views that elevate every journey. A lounge area features fully reclining massage seats with built-in footrests, personal infotainment screens, and folding tray tables. A 55-inch UHD display with 3D audio system delivers cinematic entertainment. The kitchen is fully equipped with a smart induction cooktop, convection microwave, intelligent storage, and a wine cooler. The bathroom features marble-textured walls, touchless water systems, and a rain-style shower with luxury spa features. The bedroom includes a queen-sized memory foam bed with climate control, built-in fragrance, diffuse, and smart curtains for complete rest and relaxation. Every element of this interior is designed to deliver comfort that rivals five-star hotels. Technology is seamlessly integrated with the MBUX system, AI-based voice control, wireless device charging, facial recognition entry, and a fully autonomous driving option for highway cruising. Safety is ensured with a full suite of Mercedes intelligent driving features, including lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system, automatic braking, and night vision detection. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach is more than just a travel vehicle. It's a mobile expression of style, sophistication, and futuristic living. Whether you are on a road trip across countries or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome turns every journey into a luxurious escape. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more premium motorhome content. This is Auto Review Pro, your destination for luxury vehicles and expert insights.
Rolls Royce, a true icon reimagined for the modern era while staying rooted in timeless elegance and elite performance. The 2026 Rolls Royce redefines luxury with its evolutionary design that continues to deliver unmatched presence. The exterior boasts a bold and upright grille, laser cut detailing, and signature coach doors that make a strong statement at first glance. The newly designed LED matrix headlamps blend seamlessly with the sculpted hood and elongated bottle lines, while the floating spirit of ecstasy remains the centerpiece of the brand's legendary identity. The body is built on an advanced aluminum space frame architecture, offering improved rigidity, reduced weight, and a smoother driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls Royce is powered by a refined V12 engine delivering over 600 horsepower, ensuring seamless acceleration and a near-silent cabin ride. A hybrid electric model is also available, combining eco-conscious engineering with the brand's characteristic smoothness. The air suspension system is recalibrated for even greater responsiveness, adapting instantly to road conditions to deliver the signature magic carpet ride. Rear wheel steering and adaptive cruise control make driving effortless, even in tight urban environments. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of bespoke luxury, finished with handcrafted wood veneers, deep pile carpeting, and the softest natural leather available. The dashboard features a panoramic digital display, customizable ambient lighting, and a starlight headliner that creates a celestial atmosphere above. Rear seat passengers are treated to individual climate zones, massage seats, retractable entertainment screens, and even a champagne cooler. Every surface is touch-sensitive, yet analog-style rotary controls remain to honor tradition. Technologically, the 2026 Rolls Royce is fully connected with an advanced infotainment system powered by AI, over-the-air updates, and voice activation. The car integrates seamlessly with smartphones and smartwatches, while its driver assist suite includes features like lane centering, night vision, and automated parking. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, the experience is immersive, intelligent, and effortless. Storage solutions are elegantly hidden but practical, with power-operated compartments and customizable luggage options. Sound insulation is industry-leading, enhanced by double glazed windows and noise-canceling systems, ensuring near-total silence inside the cabin. The acoustic-tuned 18-speaker bespoke audio system transforms the car into a concert hall on wheels. The 2026 Rolls Royce is a remarkable blend of tradition and innovation. It's wet, sculpted with signature sharp lines and bold styling cues taken straight from Lamborghini sports car DNA. The front fascia boasts Y-shaped LED headlights, a massive blacked-out grille, and lightweight carbon fiber body panels. Riding on 24-inch alloy wheels with adaptive air suspension, this motorhome turns heads on every highway while providing a smooth and stable drive. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Motorhome is powered by a V8 hybrid engine delivering over 700 horsepower. This unique powertrain allows it to accelerate with surprising agility for a vehicle of its size while maintaining fuel efficiency through electric support. The hybrid system enables quiet operation during city travel or camping scenarios and can switch to pure combustion for high-speed cruising. A specially tuned exhaust system ensures that unmistakable Lamborghini roar is still present when desired. Inside, the motorhome is an expression of ultra-modern luxury and futuristic living. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and Lamborghini's signature hexagonal design elements. A smart retractable cockpit transforms into a spacious lounge with a digital control panel that governs lighting, temperature, and entertainment. A 65-inch 8K OLED display, premium surround sound system, and fully integrated VR experience station provide cutting-edge entertainment on the road. The kitchen includes a smart induction stove, touch-screen refrigerator, wine chiller, and self-cleaning surfaces. The bathroom is equally lavish, featuring marble-inspired surfaces, a full-size rain shower, and smart hygiene controls. The bedroom includes a motorized king-size bed with massage features, a panoramic moonroof, and customizable ambient lighting, all designed for restful travel and style. Technology is embedded in every detail, from gesture-controlled interfaces and real-time vehicle diagnostics to voice-activated cabin controls. This RV offers an AI-powered luxury travel experience. Safety features include advanced autonomous driving assistance, 360-degree vision, night detection, and AI-enhanced obstacle avoidance. It also includes Lamborghini's proprietary self-leveling system that ensures comfort even on uneven ground. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome isn't just a luxury RV, it's a symbol of freedom and performance, turning every road trip into a first-class experience. Whether you're headed to a racetrack or a remote mountain retreat, this motorhome delivers unmatched thrill, comfort, and exclusivity. If you're passionate about exotic motorhomes and futuristic travel experiences, Make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. This is Auto Review Pro, where luxury meets performance on wheels.